In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk mail in Fastmail, full 2026 guide. To get started, open Fastmail in your web browser or launch the Fastmail app and sign into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, you're ready to create the message you want to send to multiple people. This process is straightforward, but it's important to pay attention to recipient visibility and accuracy before sending. Next, click Compose to create a brand new email. This opens a fresh message window where you can build everything out from the subject line to the body of the email and any attachments you may want to include. If you're sending the same message to several people, composing one clean, polished email first can save a lot of time. Now add your recipients. Fastmail gives you a few different address fields, and each one works a little differently. If you place recipients in the To field, everyone will be able to see all the email addresses included there. The same general idea applies to the CC field, where recipients can also see the other addresses listed in that section. If privacy matters, the best option is usually BCC, because people receiving the message won't be able to see the other recipients. For bulk mail, BCC is typically the preferred choice. After that, enter your subject line. Make it clear, descriptive, and relevant to the message you're sending. A strong subject line helps recipients immediately understand what the email is about and can improve the chances that they'll open it. Then write your message in the email body. Keep it clear and easy to read, especially if it's going out to a larger group. If needed, you can also add attachments at this stage. Just make sure any files you include are the correct versions and are actually meant for all recipients. If you have more than one sending address set up in Fastmail, you can optionally choose which address to send from. To do that, click the From field and select the alias or email address you want to use. This is especially useful if you manage different roles, brands, or departments from one Fastmail account. Before you send anything, take a moment to review the email carefully. Double-check the recipient addresses, the subject line, the message content, any attachments, and the sender address you selected. This final review helps prevent mistakes and makes sure your email looks professional. Once everything looks good, click Send to deliver your message. And that's how to send bulk mail in Fastmail.